Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and if it's the first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to leave some comments below. Be sure to turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on my next videos. In today's video, I'll be doing a review. So as you can see, I have the packaging right here, and it's from Revolution. It's a box of makeup. So what I'm just going to do, I'll be showing you the products that are inside, and I'm extremely excited. As you can see, I have just opened the cover of the box. So right now I'm just going to show you the items that are inside. By starting off, as you can see, this box of makeup, I bought it online, and I'm just opening the product to show you. As you can see right there, that's what you find inside the packaging. So starting off, as you can see, I like the arrangement. As you can see, the first layer here, there's lipstick. I think these are all the three lipstick, the neutral colors. The neutral colors, as you can see, this is the first lipstick, then the other lipstick as well. There are three lipstick right there, as you can see, neutral colors. By the way, most of the time I like neutral colors because neutral colors, it matches with any type of clothes that you put on, you know. And then I'm going to go on showing you the other packet, which is eyeshadow. It's also from the same company, which is Revolution, right there. And then I'm just going to open inside and show you the inside of the packaging right there. As you can see, I think most of the colors, they are neutrals, and then I think it's just like two colors which are shimmery. I like the eyeshadow as well. And then this is eyeshadow as well, as you can see, from Revolution as well. Right there, most of the colors, they're neutral, as you can see right there. Then I'm going to go on the second layer, as you can see right there. So right now I'm done with the first layer here, so I'm going to go with the third layer. So I'm just going to open like this. As you can see, I like the arrangement, so I'm just going to drop this on the table. I'm just going to put it on the table. As you can see, the box is very huge. As you can see, the arrangement is extremely very nice. And then inside this second layer, as you can see right there, I hope everything is focusing. So I'm just going to show you as you can see. I think these are highlighter, you know, highlighter, just like right there. That's what you put on your cheekbone, highlighter. And then I'm going to go on, this is what you call blush, which comes on the cheeks, right there. And then with this blush, most of the time, I don't like to use lighter colors. I just like to use like the darkest color, you know, because if you put on light pink, you know, it won't match, because if you've got a dark skin, you have to go for a color that is a little bit darker. So right now I'm going to go with the other. It's from Revolution as well, as you can see right there. It's highlighter as well. Let me just remove and show you guys. Yes, of course. As you can see, it's very nice. It's shimmery as well. Then this is, I do believe it's setting powder. This is the one that you use when you're done with makeup. You know, when you are done with applying all your makeup, so you have to use powder to set everything. And then I'm going to go with the last layer, which is right here. So I'm just going to open again. As you can see, the arrangement is extremely nice. As you can see, the last layer, excuse me. The last layer, as you can see, it's a set of brushes, and I like the brushes. As you can see, this is the lip brush, and then this is eyeshadow brush, and then the third one is it's a blending brush, and then this other one you use it for highlighting your skin, and then the other one is foundation brush, and then the fifth one it's contour brush. This one and this one, you can choose which one you want to use. So as you can see, I'm done showing you the products, so I'm going to go on showing you the other products because I have bought a lot of products. So I'm going to show you the other product that I bought from the same company. I bought blush from their company as well. As you can see, extremely nice. And then the other one is also blush, as you can see right there, extremely nice. And I also bought these packets of makeups. As you know already, I have done a review on Bon Voyage makeup products, so I have just bought the products again because I'll be doing a giveaway in July. So anyone that is going to subscribe to my channel, you have to make sure that you subscribe and then you leave some comments to why you want to win the makeups, because I'll be selecting maybe something like 5 people who are going to win a packet of makeups. Then I'll be sending them to any different, it depends on which country you are living. So you have to make sure that you subscribe and then you share my videos in order for you to win a giveaway in July. As you can see, I have already showed you, I have already showed you the products right there. And then the other one, as you can see, to all those ones who want to win a giveaway, these are the type of product that I'll be giving away. So you have to make sure that if you want to win a packet of makeup, this box contains a lot of makeups inside. So in order for you to win makeups, make sure that in July you have to subscribe to my channel and leave some comments below in order for you to win something, you know. Also, this box of makeup, I'll be giving it away to the luckiest winner. So make sure that if you want to win a box of Revolution makeup, you have to make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and then I'll be giving away when I reach a 1,000 subscriber. So if I just reach 1,000 subscriber, I'll be giving away to 5 lucky people. So subscribe to my channel and share my video for more. As you can see, that's the box. So right now I'm just going to go further on judging the products. Of course, I can say that all of the products, they were extremely nice. I liked the arrangement. The packet was very nice, and it was very, you know, I can say that the arrangement was very good, and I think they have done a very great job in creating this box. As you can see, the box is extremely nice, you know, and I can say from 1 up to 10, I can give them a 10, because I think Revolution has done a very great job, because everything, it's very nice and it's packed extremely nice. So thank you guys for watching these videos, and I hope that you're going to subscribe to my channel.